Let's talk about a huge environmental problem. Millions of so-called forever chemicals that just don't break down.
So how in the world do you test millions of chemicals for safety? Our old methods just can't keep up.
These things, PFAS, are in everything. They're called forever chemicals because they stick around in us and the planet.
Get this, there could be up to 7 million different kinds of them. Lab testing every single one? No way! So what's the solution? Well, researchers are teaching an AI to spot a toxic chemical just by looking at it.
Here's how they did it. They gathered data, gave each chemical a structural fingerprint, then trained the AI on it.
The AI's training data was pretty specific. 307 PFAS chemicals with known toxicity levels from rat studies.
They tried a few different AI models, but the best one was surprisingly simple. It's called K-nearest neighbors. So how does it work? Well, it's kind of like the old saying, a chemical is known by the company it keeps.
Basically, it just looks at a new chemical's 3 closest lookalikes. If they're toxic, it probably is too.
This whole method is called read-across. It lets the AI make a really smart guess about unknown stuff.
So what clues did this AI detective actually learn to look for? What screams toxic? Turns out it's pretty simple. Complex structures with lots of chemical rings, usually toxic. Simpler ones, not so much.
For example, these bulky structures with fused rings were basically a huge red flag for the AI model. And on the flip side, simple, straight-chain chemicals, the AI consistently predicted those would be way less harmful.
A deeper analysis confirmed it. The #1 factor pushing the needle toward toxic was structural complexity.
So the big question, how good was it? The final model nailed it with 81.5% accuracy on new chemicals.
And get this, it's not just some research paper. They turned it into a free online tool for scientists.
So why is this a game changer? It helps us quickly screen chemicals and prioritize what needs urgent testing. This is a huge step. It really shows how AI can help protect us from dangerous chemical pollution.